Hello, Arthur. Welcome to our booth. We are coming from Serbia in the United States here to present on the SHOT Show our knives and also something new that we have for this year is actually belts with the custom belt buckles. All the belt buckles are made from the fired mortar shells brass, so that's unique for them. However, our main line is our knives, all handmade, all handcrafted, and also hand engraved and sharpened. Our baseline for the steel is N690 Bowler, and some of them we have in a luxury line with Damascus Damasteel. We have luxury and exclusive line for the hunting. Every single piece is from different material. It depends on what customer actually is looking for. The tactical knife that you can see here, they're full rubber, full tang, and also hand sharpened. We have all kinds of the material for the handles. The military and police line is from here with Tanto, and it starts different kind, also kukri style and Serbian dagger. We have a couple of them with the kitchen line just for a show for this time. We just came up with these two. And luxury line of the hunting knives, it various configurations. It depends again on material. So this is one of the smallest, and it's unique because the handle is over 1,000 years old oak. N690 steel.
What about folder?
So this is the first knife that we made as a folder. It is our prototype. We still don't even have a name for this one. However, we are planning to also go with this line in the future. This is just new. These knives are for pocket usually carry. They can come as a G10 micarta or different kind of the material like a wild sheep horn. All the leathers that you see, they are cowhide leather, and every single piece of them is handmade.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.